Greetings. I am the Count. Do you know what? Look. Flowers. I will count them. One flower. Two flowers. Three flowers. Four flowers. Five flowers. Six flowers. Seven flowers. I love to count flowers. Do you know why I love to count flowers? Because flowers make me sneeze. And now, after I count flowers, I can count sneezes. Achoo! One sneeze. Achoo! Two sneezes. Achoo! Three sneezes. Achoo! Four sneezes. Achoo! Five sneezes. Achoo! Six sneezes. Achoo! 7 wonderful sneezes. I love it.